Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Woman Haul. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video of leather legging for girls and women's. Many much more latest ideas of leather legging for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. So beautiful and attractive collection of leather legging you see in this video. Some ideas, button designs on legging. Some ideas, zip designs on legging. So beautiful top. Designer top, app top, front eye top, tulle top. Higher low design top. Style top. And so beautiful t-shirts, dress shirts. And some ideas with sweaters, zipper sweaters, high neck sweaters. And so beautiful eye-catching colors of top. With stylish and trendy leather legging for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look very gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will bring latest and new collection for you. I hope you must try it and share with me. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.